think everybody is great. I mean, we have a shared interest, so it's terrific.
I think I've run out of space on my phone to add numbers.
So I'm sitting at a table with really lovely people.
Nice people.
Absolutely. I roommated with somebody I had never even met before. We met at the airport and we became fast friends.
So I came in hoping to gain more experience on working with the beads, and I am leaving with so much more.
Meeting all the other beaders.
Hands-on learning the stitches and the patterns that I never thought I would have the ability to do.
It's really phenomenal having somebody show you things, looking at a big screen, watching your neighbors do it.
Tricks and things, I'm like, I never thought of it that way.
I was intimidated by them.
Oh, no.
And now I just feel like, gosh, I could tackle it at home.
Even somebody accomplished can learn new things.
Absolutely.
When's the next one?
Sign up.
Sign up for it next year.
Already? Okay, good. Well,
I sure hope they come next year. It's a great retreat. I can't wait to do it again.